Looking to make your countdown to Christmas extra special this year? Here are 6 stylish advent calendars that add a festive flair and fun surprises to every day of December. Ferrero Rocher Collection 2024 Advent Calendar. Indulge in pure luxury. Behind every window, you'll find a delicious Ferrero Rocher treat. It's the perfect way to sweeten your holiday season. VAHDAM Advent Calendar Tea Lovers, rejoice! Discover a new, premium tea blend each day, beautifully packaged, to keep you warm and cozy throughout the festive season. JAMFIT 28 PC's Christmas Advent Calendar. This calendar brings a fun twist. Enjoy 28 surprise gifts, from Christmas charms to festive trinkets, making every day a celebration. Himalayan Dog Chew 24 Joyful Days Dog Advent Calendar. Treat your furry friend to a countdown of joy with this unique dog advent calendar, featuring tasty natural chews for every day. LampLust Wooden Advent Calendar Classic and Timeless. This wooden advent calendar with warm LED lights doubles as a stunning Christmas decoration for your home. Advent Calendar Christmas Tree Building Set. Get creative with this buildable Christmas tree set, a perfect hands-on activity for kids and adults alike, bringing festive fun to your countdown. Want to grab one of these? You can buy them all from the link in the description below. Get ready to make every day of December magical.